me the beat, boy, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away.
We also did some fun stuff while we were working on Make My Day. But it's time to get back in the water where we belong.
The beginning of a sailboat, the beginning of a fish, the beginning of the moon.
The moon!
The moon, wow.
A big moon.
And the beginning of a mountain.
After days of painting the boat, Leontine went for a creative afternoon painting with the ladies.
Onder het genot van een glas wijn. Nou, daar is de wereldberoemde Leontine Lammertink 2024. En hier is de Femke van Morsel 24. Yay! En hier is Buck. Yay! Nou, en hier hebben we de wereldberoemde Caroline Febus. Maar waar is jouw signatuur?
Ja, Caroline is echt.
Ja, kijk, en Marianne van Rosmalen, die heeft er wel 2 gemaakt.
Ja!
Yay!
Is dat nou?
So, make together a painting for René.
Some weeks later, the ladies made a painting for Hans and Renee to fill up an empty spot on the wall in their new house in Porto Santo.
En we moeten het even signeren dadelijk, hè? Kan het met een gewone functie?
Lekker bezig, dames.
Goed bezig, hè?
Kan ik nog wat inspiratiesap in de glaasjes schieten? Of,
I like it. Allemaal ons best hebben gedaan.
Ja. Dat hebben we in ieder geval geprobeerd.
Ja, eigenlijk moet je...
Met Jan. Kom hier.
Elections in Porto Santo. It's like a big party with live music and drinking poncha. They put the party back into politics. We were drinking and singing till late in the night.
Hans and Renee invited us in their new home, well, their refurbished, rebuilt home in Porto Santo, and we're very happy to be here.
Yeah, the food was really good,
But it's finished.
but it's all finished. So, empty tables. We are sitting in the carport. It was raining today, so we've got a roof above our head.
Which is a little bit strange because it never rains in Porto Santo.
It never rains in Porto Santo. Except this year. Not here. Not now.
Gaan we.
Oh, de dag. Mooie stad. Achter de duinen.
Ik heb de grootste buks van Rotterdam. Ik heb Euromast.
Another celebration in town with original music, costumes, and drinks. Fritz is taking Obelix out of the water for a while. Last time he was lifted, the slings were hooked on his sail drive. No damage done, but repositioning was necessary. So there was more attention given this time, and it went well.
Centimetertje. De Polster gaat weer op reis.
Our friends on Polestar are leaving for the Canaries after being 15 months together with us in Porto Santo.
Knuffelen.
Even kijken, zijn we niks vergeten? We gaan niet terug, komen niet terug. Ja, jongen.
Jij, kom maar rustig aan.
Ja,
Veel plezier, we zien elkaar.
Zeker weten.
Door de bericht af en toe.
Michael.
Marianne. Nou, veel plezier.
Ja, komt goed.
Nou,
Elkaar.
Porto Santo.
je bent los.
Thank you.
Los.
Hey, safe trip. After 15 months together in the harbor. Dag lieverd.
Veel plezier.
Later.
Tot de volgende keer.
Tot op de Canaries. Still a lot of boats on anchor outside. Oh, Skellig leaving. De Skelligers.
Skellig followed a few hours later. Hopefully we'll see them all again this winter.
Leuk dat we elkaar nog even gezien hebben.
Prachtig, goed gedaan.
Frans kan het. Dag lieve schatjes.
Veel plezier.
Tot straks.
Goede vaart.
Tot snel.
Doei doei.
De Skelligers. Dag lieve mensen. Doei. Till the next time.
The same day there is a lot of movement in the harbor and on the moorings. Here is Sea Pearl pulling a boat without a working engine onto a mooring. Also, Sabir is going back into the water with a freshly painted hull.
There they go. No scratch yet. New paint. There they come. Oh, het begint er net natuurlijk te waaien. Ja. Yeah, exactly.
7, 8, 9. Sabir. What Sabir?
Sabir.
VIP.
Sabir here.
We're going back in the water.
Now it's our turn to go back into the water.
Oh, die begint straks wel als we wegvaren. Heel vet worden. Back in the water with the big helpers. Yoo-hoo!
Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul.
The outboard is not working really well.
Drift away. Hey, yeah. Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and